Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Noor Networks. In this tutorial, we are going to download and install Smart Console in our management station. So before we proceed, let me show you what we have completed till now. We have installed our checkpoint gateway with three network adapters Ethernet 0, Ethernet 1, Ethernet 2, and we have configured the IP scheme. This is our checkpoint gateway. Then what we did, we have installed our checkpoint management server with one network interface Ethernet 0 connected to VMnet 1 with the IP scheme 10.1.1.150, and this is our checkpoint management server. And this I haven't shown, it's simply a Windows 10 machine which I have installed over here. So I believe you know how to install Windows 10 machine. Basically this we will be using for our management station as per our network design, that is 10.1.1.100 will be the IP address of this machine. So particularly in this machine I have assigned the IP address as well, and I have connected it to VMnet 1. You will see over here, you will know that it is connected to VMnet 1. Okay, network adapter is connected to VMnet 1, and the IP address which is configured on this machine is 10.1.1.100, subnet mask 255, 255.255.0, and the gateway is checkpoint gateway, that is 10.1.1.200. This is the machine with subnet 55.255.255.0, and the gateway I have given this one, that is 10.1.1.200. So let's ping the management machine 10.1.1.150, and it is pingable. So what we are going to do is quickly we will open the browser and we will call the web UI of our management server. So guys, this is our management station, and from the browser we are going to call the management station. We'll log in with our credentials, and if you will see over here, there is the option to download manage software buildings of Smart Console. Simply click on download now, and the download will begin. If you will see, the download has been started. It will take some time. Now as you can see, the Smart Console is downloaded. We will quickly run this executable file. As you can see, the installation has started now. The installation is going to take some time. Click on yes. Now over here, maximize the screen. Okay, so over here you have to just check this box, I have read and agreed to the checkpoint and user license and agreement. If you wish, you can just click over here and read the end user license agreement. It is asking you in the machine where you want to install. You can just define the path. I will be keeping this default path, and I will click on install. You have to click on install button over here. This installation will again take some time, so you have to be patient till the installation is completed. So friends, over here, if you will see that our installation for the smart console is completed. Skipping this box check launch smart console, you will click finish. It will launch a smart console for you. Over here, it is asking you for username and password. You will be using the same username and password which you have used from the initial time. That is admin and the password which you have configured. Then comes the server name or IP address. This will be management IP address, checkpoint management server IP address. That is 10.1.1.150 and click on login button. As you can see, it is saying that first connection to server 10.1.1.150 to verify the server identity. Compare the following fingerprints with one displayed in the server. It is giving you fingerprint as well. Click on proceed. Guys, this smart console is a bit heavy application. So if in case your Windows machine has a lower, what we say, like if your VM which you have created is of low specification, I would suggest that instead of launching a smart console in your VM machine, even you can do it in your physical host. I mean, in your laptop, and from there you can manage it. That in that way also it will work. If your VM machine is not capable of running this application over here, in that case you can use your laptop or desktop that is a physical host, and from there you can manage it. And this management station we will be using for the policy testing purpose only. That also you can do, or if your VM machine is capable, you can install it over here as I have done. You can see in the virtual machine that name I have given as management station. So guys, this is the look of your smart console. As you can see over here, I will just give you a brief overview. You have a gateways and server over here. In the next tutorial, what we are going to do is we will be communicating our management with the gateway. We are going to connect our management server with the gateway server. And if you remember, we during the time of installation of a checkpoint gateway server, we have created one key, activation key, that was called SIC, that is secure internal communication key, that we will be using. And thereafter you will see that over here you will have a management box as well as a gateway box shown over here. Then comes the security policies over here. Over here what you are going to do is you will be installing your security policies, and what you're going to do is from here you will be pushing the policies to your gateway. That also we will see how you will install the policies, then how you will be pushing the policies into the gateway. Then thereafter the third tab, if you will see, it's all about the log and monitors. Let me take you over there to the logs and monitors. Over here you will have an option for your audit logs, for your firewall logs. From here you can see the firewall logs and audit logs in our first tutorial, introductory tutorial. As I told you that the job of the smart console is the place where you can configure the policies. Basically this policies will be installed on the management server, then it's a job role of the management server to push the policies on the gateway. Definitely we will be looking each and everything in the real view. Over here I'm just giving you a brief overview of the smart console, and then comes a management and setting. As we will proceed further, we will be seeing how you will do the settings and management of your appliances with respect to the permissions and administrator accounts, session, blades, what are blades, that also we will look, policy settings we will look. Just let me take you to the logs and monitor again. Over here you will find the option for the firewall logs, and then comes the audit logs. On the right side of if you will see, there are network objects. Basically if you want to add any host, any network, you can do it from here. I will show you how to add a new host or a new network from here. Then comes the services, whether it's TCP services, UDP services, or any other port. If you want to open that, you can do it from here. You have options to create applications or a categories that are pre-configured applications for you, the user identities, what are the server time objects, each and everything we will be looking definitely when we will move ahead. Then install policy is the option. Over here I will show you what is install policy, why it is used, session, how to publish the policies on the management, how to push it on the gateway server, and then object option. Even here you can see, as you can see over here in the right pane, over here in the object you can create new network, new host, new network group, more objects and all. So guys, this was all about the downloading of the smart console from and then installing it. And this is the first time we have taken the login to our smart console. In the coming tutorials, the very first thing what we are going to do is we will be connecting our our security management server with our checkpoint security gateway, and thereafter we will start working on the policies. We will see how you we work on the policies, how you will allow, how you will open the ports, and many things to come. So that's all guys for this tutorial. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and do share with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.